Hi everyone, welcome to Guru. In this video, we'll discuss about how we can change the background of Revit. Right now, you can see the background of Revit is in white color. So I wanted to change to black or something another color. Okay, so let's start how I can do that thing. I'll go to the left top corner. I'll click on File, click on Options, and right now I'll go in Graphics. And right now in Colors option, we can see background. It's white. So right now I wanted to convert it into black. I'll click on black and I'll click on OK. There are more options like selections, pre-selections and those kind of things. So what does it mean by selection and the color? It means if you are selecting any element in Revit, it'll show us in this particular color. Right now it's kind of blue. The pre-selection is also right now blue. Yes, definitely we can change those ones as well. And at the bottom you can see temporary dimension text appearance. It means that you can see if you are selecting any element in Revit, it show us a temporary dimension. Okay, so the dimensions text size right now it is 8 mm. We can change that one as well. And background is transparent. It means if something is right there like this text, you can see we can see all those kind of elements. So yes, definitely all those kind of properties we can change it from right there. Okay, so right now I'm not changing those one. I have changed only background. Let's see it will convert into black or not. Right now we can see the background of Revit is changed from white to black. So that's all guys for this video. Let's meet in my next video. Thanks a lot for watching this one.